This is a third training video looking at the Stratus Cloud Cashbook for making tax digital, which looks specifically at the issue of flat rate VAT. Now, first thing you need to do with flat rate VAT is tell the system that you are using flat rate VAT and you have to pick whatever particular activity it might be, and then this has been configured to be the first year discount, so it picks a figure which is 1% less than the flat rate figure. But that's a question of setting a flag on this line here, which is slightly off the screen, because we fit the screen, because it's YouTube, we try and keep the screen as big as possible, but you see the first year thing there, it appears there, you put Y or N as to whether it's the first year. Anyway, the thing about flat rate is when we put the figures in, get rid of the pop-ups, here, so income, rather than using income 20, we use income F, and then it calculates the VAT. Obviously you're not allowed to have VAT reclaimed on supplies, so it uses the gross amount for self-assessment. But say we bought a computer and the computer cost £3,000, then that's admin. We'll put this one, as previous one, as stock. But this potentially is claimable as capital, so we need to get the pop-up back by reloading the page, and we look here at the pop-up. There we go, and then part the way down we say it is claimable as capital, and close that down, and you can see now how it's calculated a VAT amount. And on the VAT return itself, it's now got a £500 reclaim, because that's claimable as capital. That otherwise is flat rate VAT, and you can tell it when you have something which is flat rate capital compliant. Obviously, if it's not worth £3,000, then you're not allowed to claim for it in the same way. So if we go into here, actually £2,000 in fact is the limit, so if we change it down to £1,800, then it won't allow it to be claimed because it's below the £2,000 limit. But you still have to specify that it qualifies for capital anyway. But that's flat rate VAT.